When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Hi, this is Tony with ProCare, and we are testing a Wool Tencel blend carpet, and that is apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to put some wine on it. The left side here was not treated, and the right side was treated with our fabric protection. And the last is going to be soy sauce. So we have apple cider vinegar, wine, and soy sauce, and now we'll blot it off. And this was the side that was treated, and you can see that it comes completely off of the wool and tencel. So it's both wool and tencel, and you're able to just blot it right off. On the right hand side, it was not treated, and you can see it's already soaked in, and we're blotting up some of the liquid, but there is a permanent stain there. And this is why it's important to treat your wools, your semi-synthetic fibers. It's permanent, and it's going to be really tough trying to have someone clean and probably bleach that out. And over here, it was an easy cleanup. See how clean that is? There's no residue left. You could wipe it with a red, and there's permanent staining. So remember, ProCare for your protection.
Call the company that